Hello, my name's Alanna. I'd just like to say thank you so much. You saved the day for me. My house was a mess. My house was sadly in need of a lot of renovation. I had started on it, and because I'd had some tradesmen that weren't very efficient, I ended up with the house half renovated and a very serious cash flow problem. They came in and organised tradesmen for me, renovated the house to exactly the way I wanted it done, and I'm very, very happy.
The product is really designed for people like yourself. You know, you are the classic example that I see in the Australian marketplace today. You've got $1 million home, you owe, $150,000 to $200,000 on a first mortgage basis to the bank. So a very, very low equity, an LVR, a loan to value ratio of about 20%. And then when you approached your bank, who you've probably been with for 20 odd years,
Absolutely.
What did they tell you when you wanted some money for a renovation loan?
Well, they certainly weren't interested in giving me a loan for a renovation. I was on a hardship agreement with them for a while, but suddenly they pulled the rug out from under me, and that was very scary. When I had a full sense of security that things would be okay and I'd be able to stay in my house, or at least get back on my feet and finish my renovations. But that wasn't the case with the bank at that time, which wasn't that long ago. And then I was very, very lucky to just Google and find this company.
We completed the works on the home, and we asked for our payment at the end of the term when you've sold and settled the property.
And that's the big relief.